Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our lecture is about systems of classification. The systems of classification of plants on the basis of morphological characteristics, phylogenetic relationships, practices, and other studies on which basis plants are classified. We have four systems of classification: artificial system, natural system, phylogenetic system, and modern system. We discuss one by one. First of all, we discuss about artificial system. What is artificial system? In artificial system, plants are classified on which basis and which classification system supports artificial system. The definition of artificial system is the classification system based on one or two morphological characters for identification of plants. Mean we use two or more morphological characters of the plant to identify the plants, and we classify plant on the basis of their identification. Is examples: linear system of classification. Mean linear system of classification is based on the artificial system. Linnaeus used morphological characters of the plant. Linnaeus used characters of stamen for classification of plant. He found 24 classes of plant on the basis of characteristics of stamen. Next, natural system of classification. The natural system of classification is based on one set of characteristics for grouping similar plants is called natural system. Means we used one set of characteristics and we grouping the similar plants. Means similar plants are placed in one group. Bentham and Hooker classification system supports the natural classification system. Natural classification system based on morphological and reproductive characteristics of plants. Darwin theory of natural selection is also the part of natural system of classification. Number third is the phylogenetic system of classification. The classification system which grouped plants on the basis of set of morphological characteristics and phylogenetic relation is called phylogenetic system of classification. In these types of classification, we not see only the morphological characters, but we also see the phylogenetic relationship. Mean one plant have which type of relation to the other plant. The examples of the phylogenetic relationship is Angular and Prantlev classification system and Basic classification system. The phylogenetic system of classification have evolutionary history. Evolution joins the different groups of plant into a tree of phylogenetic groups. This system is from simplest to complex. It also includes the Darwin concept of evolution. Next is the modern system. Modern system is used for classification of plant because it has wide aspects to identify classification the plant. Modern system, the modern classification system in which plants are grouped on the basis of morphological characters, and it includes modern studies. The modern studies include like plant anatomy, plant serology, karyology, embryology, phytogeography, and plantology. This system have examples of Takhtajan's classification system. It is based on a new reformation in plant taxonomy. Not only morphological characters, nowadays DNA and RNA nucleotide sequence are also studied to arrange plants more significantly and scientifically. It has made the taxonomy of plant more objective. A modern system of classification have Takhtajan's classification systems because Takhtajan classification systems classify plant on the modern studies. These four systems of classification have their own importance on their own time, but the artificial system, or linear classification system, is very important and significant all over the time. We discuss classification system of CARLUS Linnaeus artificial system in detail. We see the advantages of linear system, disadvantages, and we see how he describe and classify the plant on the basis of the stamen and 24 classes of the stamens based classification. These four systems are very important because these four systems are used to classify the plant. I hope you understand today's lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.